Hello, my name is Jaranjani from class 9th B, studying in St. Joseph's School. Today's topic is composting. Composting is a natural process of recycling organic matters into fertilizers which enrich in soil and plants. The advantages of composting are: it prevents topsoil erosion, it keeps all the cities clean, it is known as the black gold of the soil. This composting kit is provided by my school. It is given to the students to encourage them to do composting. This is a Soil Stones Compost Maker brick. It is a Coir pith with aerobic inoculated microbes. The steps to do composting are mentioned behind the brick. You can follow it and do it. To convert the compost brick into powder, we need to take a bucket filled with 1 liter of water. Then we need to take and open the cover. Now the cover of the brick is opened. Now you have to place the brick horizontally into the bucket filled with the 1 liter of water and leave it in there for 3 to 4 hours. Then after 3 to 4 hours, you can manually take and pluck out the powder. Now the brick is getting mixed up with the water. You can turn the side after approximately 1 hour. So previously I had added 1 liter of water, but it seems that a brick needs a little bit of more water, so I'm adding more water. Now the brick has soaked in the water, so I'm converting it into powder. Now I converted the whole brick into powder form. So now I'm going to start adding all these waste materials: tea powder, banana stem, corn, banana peel, and the outer part of the corn. Now I will start making the first layer of the compost powder. So I formed the first layer. Now I will start adding all the waste materials. Now I'll add the second layer. Now the second layer is almost complete. Now the compost powder, it has almost covered all the waste materials. So we can add the waste materials after a few days and cover it with the compost powder again. We have to continue this process until we fill the bucket, and after we fill the bucket, we have to wait approximately 3 to 4 weeks. Then we can open the bucket and we can check our compost. Dear friends, hoping that you all will follow my methods and do something like this to make the environment clean. Thank you.